So my name is Bill McGrail, and I am the General Manager of Distribution for KleenMark. We're based in Madison, Wisconsin. We have 3 large branches: Madison, Milwaukee, Appleton, Green Bay area, but we cover a variety of markets throughout the Midwest. So we're kind of unique in the industry in the sense that we are a large BSC, building service contractor, which probably carries about 85% of our annual revenue. And then we have a small distribution side to our business as well, which I manage. And it's kind of unique because how we help people find cleaning products is, we do the vetting on the distribution side, and we have staff and associates on our team that have 25, 30 years of experience in this industry. So we vet all the products, we do the research, we work directly with our vendors, and then we filter those products through our BSC as pilots. So we always say it's KleenMark tested, KleenMark approved. And we're in the people business with KleenMark, so we care about our people in the sense that we want them to be using safe, sustainable products, because we know there's a lot of different products out there. So we want to make sure that something they're using every single day is good for their health and it's not going to make them sick. Yeah, I think the biggest thing in finding products, sustainable products, and promoting a healthier, sustainable cleaning practice would be events like this, ISSA, working close with CMI, the Cleaning Management Institute, getting educated. There's a lot of great resources here. I've been in the industry a short time, but it's amazing how many resources we have, especially through ISSA, programs like the CMI, and this Making Safer Choices program, which, at KleenMark, we're huge fans of. Instantly, when we heard about this program through Gavin, we were super excited. I remember getting off the call with Gavin and calling my CO right away and like, dude, this is amazing. We got to be a part of this. We got to partner with them because we're passionate about that. We're passionate about these kind of chemical deserts where they don't have access to good cleaning products. We want to get them out there. So I think it's programs like this, and it's education, right? The biggest thing is communicating, educating, and going to ISSA for those resources.